COVID-19 pandemic impacted your business? How have you been managing the company in the current tough times?
Our business, as many other businesses, had to navigate the financial and operational challenges of coronavirus while rapidly addressing the needs of our people, customers and suppliers. The coronavirus outbreak has forced us to reevaluate how we communicate with customers, how we deliver relevant customer experiences, where we work, and how digital channels and tools can be used to support business continuity through the crisis and beyond. To boost our workforce's resilience, we work hard and manage to keep all our workers healthy, safe and employed, with an eye to equipping people with the new skills for the future. With the COVID-19 crisis, fundamental changes in consumer behavior, supply chains and routes to market are knocking companies off balance. To respond to the pandemic, we had to accelerate the adoption of agile ways of working and value chain transformation to help outmaneuver uncertainty. We had to act quickly to optimize our company resilience, rebalancing for risk and liquidity, while assessing opportunities for growth coming out of the downturn. Current and future viability depend on rapid actions, including near-term actions for financial stability. Immediate action has been taken to address short-term liquidity challenges. Some of our customers requested delayed shipments of their machines, and therefore we face plummeting sales and revenue and increased cost.
There will be trade tensions in the countries, which will likely force companies to re-strategize their region-wise growth plans. How do you see this challenge?
International trade has been essential to pandemic fighting efforts by nations across the globe. For example, during the critical phase of COVID outbreak in Italy, we were able to import millions of masks and other personal protective equipment from Asian nations who were recovering from their initial outbreaks and lockdowns. Despite the positive role trade has played, the COVID crisis has witnessed the rise of several protectionist policies. More broadly, some policymakers are calling for greater self-reliance in general, and repatriation of international supply chains in particular. For instance, a few days ago, the Indian government put curbs on the import of rubber used in cars, two-wheelers and heavy vehicles, moving it from list of free imports to the restricted category as part of a strategy to sustain the domestic industry. However, the Indian Tire Industry Association expressed concern over the widening gap between the domestic production of natural rubber and its consumption, and has sought duty relief on imports of the commodity. Rubber prices in India are nearly 20% higher than international prices, and any restriction on imports will only hurt the tire industry. Pushing policies aimed at forcing companies to alter their supply chain practices can easily lead other nations to respond. A spiral of retaliation could disrupt world productive capacity in virtually all manufacturing sectors, given the high level of interdependence. This could make economic recovery more challenging. In short, keeping trade channels open will help us fight the disease and help the world economy recover.
Tire companies will now be more focused on production cost cutting. How will your company help your customers to reduce production costs?
Best quality and world-class effectiveness have been always key elements of Marangoni Meccanica value proposition for our customers. This pandemic came at a time when the global economy was already facing tough times. Hence, in the given situation, it's even more important to take prudent financial actions. Key differentiator in tire building is total cost of ownership of the equipment, TCO, we call it. TCO is calculated by combining these three components: acquisition cost, personnel cost, operational cost. Our engineering department has been always focused in developing each time the best possible solution to satisfy our customer needs in terms of quality, time and cost. Our automation and innovative solutions are designed to improve quality, to increase reliability and duration, to increase productivity and reduce maintenance and human interactions, to reduce downtimes, to improve predictive maintenance. We have been recently working successfully on remote commissioning and assistance, thanks to virtual simulations tools. Every new project is an opportunity for us and for our customer to continuously improve and experiment.
What lessons did you learn from the crisis?
We have learned a lot from this crisis, and we are now more confident about our strength and resilience. Though the crisis is not yet behind us, and I'm sure that our perception of the world and how business should operate will change further, there are key lessons for us to keep in mind. 1. You have to act fast. To move your business amid the crisis, you need to work quickly. 2. Be prepared. Competence and expertise are key. 3. Be resilient. Be optimistic and never give up. And 4th, be resourceful. Could you organize webinars? Could you join other brands and collaborate on a product or a service? These are questions that we should ask ourselves. 5, cooperation is key. In combating COVID-19, cooperation between different government, leaders and private and public sector organizations is essential to ensure safety of the community members. When your business is facing a challenge, you have a better chance of coming up with a solution when you work together with your team and relevant organizations. Where relevant, your customer could be part of the solution and provide you with the option that is more appealing to them. Thank you for listening and good luck to everyone.